Do you have an idle CNC sitting there that should be cutting more often and making you more money? You've probably thought about offering more cut to size, but that opens up a whole new set of questions. Where will the new customers for cut to size come from? What about the time needed to quote every job that comes through? Who's going to redraw and detail every job? And do you really want to hire more staff just to manage it all? That's why manufacturers across Australia and New Zealand turn to Cabinetry.Online. It provides a simple way to design, quote and submit cabinetry orders through your website. That means less time spent going back and forth with customers, no need to redraw jobs, and no more costly mistakes from entering a job incorrectly for a customer.
The jobs come in any time of day and we will take the jobs. The guys in the office can process it, maybe a phone call or two, but there's not too much more of it. So from getting a job to cutting the job, we're talking about minutes instead of hours or days.
People are coming to us. They've got the flexibility to jump online, go through the ordering system, pick out a bunch of different materials, go through the hardware. This whole idea of trying to scale in a way which is more sustainable relies less on me being the bottleneck and looking to have a bit more time out of the business and enjoy the business more. I think working with Cabinetry.Online is our solution for that.
Additionally, Cabinetry.Online will connect you with builders, cabinet makers and renovators looking for cut-to-size suppliers. You can build a whole new revenue stream without having to find every customer yourself. Book a free demo today and see how Cabinetry.Online has helped hundreds of cabinet manufacturers turn idle CNCs into additional revenue.